We'll discuss about selective statements today. Daily do some programs, okay?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, already I sent. So till now, whichever we have discussed, notes is there with you. You please go ahead
Yes, sir.
and do those programs. Then you can get grip on that. Now this next one is selective statements. Selective. So we use switch case. There are a couple of keywords called as switch and case. We use those switch case for designing selective statements. Actually, we use selective statements for menu-driven programs. I will explain what is menu-driven. We use switch case, in bracket, selective statements. They are called as selective for menu-driven programs. What are menu-driven programs? That comes naturally as a doubt. So this is menu. You can see in Notepad. You can see file, edit, format, view, help. This is called as menu bar. This one is called as menu bar. So you can design such menu bars with the help of switch case, but not in C language. But later on, using Java, you can do that. Once you go to Java, then you can understand that. Now, similar kind of programs, you can design a calculator type of program like that. You can go ahead with the menu driven programs. So that is menu driven. This is pull down menu. This is called as pull down. If I click, see, this is called as pull down menu. These are all pull down menus, and this is the menu bar. Okay, some commands will be there. If you click on that, this pull down menu will get opened. And if you right click here, that is pop-up menu. This is pop-up menu. Okay, so you can design menu driven programs using switch case. Something like this is alternative for if condition. If condition sometimes difficult to understand, so this is very easy. Switch case, first let me give syntax for that. Syntax, general notation, it will be like this: switch, WITCH, switch. Within bracket you need to provide expression. What is that expression? I will talk to it. And inside that is some value you provide. Let us say value 1. If expression whatever I provide is equal to value 1, then the code under this will be executed. This code will be executed. Through program you can properly understand anyways, but let me put the syntax in this way. You can go through syntax also. Provide break statement. Break is a keyword. Why we should give break, I will explain. Just wait. Value 2 colon you have to provide like that. That is syntax. We have to follow those rules and regulations. You can write anywhere, but just for good look I am providing like this. You can type here also, no problem, but just for good look I am typing here. Statements only for look and feel. Like that you can provide n number of cases. What are these cases? I will explain. Case is a keyword, switch is a keyword, both are keywords. Break is also a keyword. Like this, n number of cases you can provide like that. Case value n. n. Finally, default is also a keyword. Default statement will be given. Finally, some statement you can write. Statements or statement you can write. Break is not required. This is the syntax. So what is happening is expression will be having some value. For example, if that value is 1, so it looks for a match. This is a perfect match. If here expression is equal to value 1, for example, then where is value 1? It will search. Compiler will search. It is found here. So that it jumps inside, these set of statements will be executed. And then break means total break is a jumping instruction. You total control, your control will come from here to outside switch case totally. If you don't give break unnecessarily, even this is false, it will be also executed. Again, if you don't give break here also, unnecessarily value 3 will be also executed. I will show you through program, don't worry. So first of all, expression will be provided. It may be value 1 or value 2 or value 3 or value n or no value. If it is not matching, any of the values are not matching, then default statement will be executed. For that, break is not required because default is the last executable statement. So here, 4 keywords are there. First of all, switch is a keyword. Keywords means reserved words meant for some definite purpose. Case is a keyword, and then break is a keyword. Default is also keyword. So today we are learning 4 keywords. What are they? Switch, case, break, and default. These are all keywords. I will make a note here to understand. Switch, case, comma, break, comma, default. Keywords. Keywords can be also called as reserved words, reserved for some special task, special purpose. Like that. So these are all keywords. So once again, I repeat. So first of all, expression will be taking some value. If it is value 1, then value 1 will be executed. Means the code inside will be executed. And if you can give break, other values will not be executed. It will come out of that. After running these statements, it will come out of the switch case block. If I give value 3, for example, so where is the match for value 3? Here. This is a perfect match. So this code will be executed. And then break. Break means totally coming out of that. If I give value 99, but value 99 is not present, what will happen? Default statement will be executed. Invalid number or something like that. We will do one program, then you can understand this. Simple, very simple one. Just syntax you have to remember. Switch, case, break, default. These are all keywords which you have to remember. So my program is something like if I type 1, ONE1 should be displayed. If I type 2 from keyboard, TWO2 should be displayed like that. I will write a program. We'll do some programs on switch case, 3 to 4 programs. We'll finally at the end of the day, we design calculator program also today. So int n. I am declaring a variable called as n. Let me accept n from keyboard. Okay. So I want to display on the screen some message like enter a value or enter n. I want to display that message on the screen. On the screen means monitor or visual display unit or console, you can call it as. Generally we say screen. Screen means, screen is, I mean, monitor is a hardware device, but we are writing software, that to C language. C is a software, system software, I told you in the beginning, right? Operating systems, it is required. So I want to write software equivalent to monitor. Monitor is represented by, in software it is represented by printf function. Okay. So whenever I say I want to display something on the screen or monitor, if I say like that, monitor, screen, they are all hardware. How to represent through coding, that is software. Printf function is representing that. Okay, fine. So I want to display, enter n. Okay, enter n from keyboard. So immediately seeing that message, you start typing from keyboard, is it not? Keyboard is also a hardware device. Through coding, how do you write? We cannot write keyboard, please accept whatever you type, like that we cannot write coding. That is English. That is not coding. So keyboard is a hardware device. How do you represent keyboard? Through a function, scanf. This is software. Scanf is a function, software function, C function, representing hardware device, keyboard. Right. So normally scanf consists of two parameters. First parameter is going to be format specifier. We are dealing with n. N is of type int. For int, the format specifier is percentage %d, comma, address you have to provide, address of n. So whatever you type, it reaches the address of n, right? Enter n, right? So now what to do? Right, let us write switch. Spelling, you should be careful. Switch, can you see white color if I type correct spelling? If I type wrong spelling, see the spelling, red color. If I type h, so in this code, void is a keyword. Keywords will be in white color. Int is a keyword. Switch is a keyword. Printf, scanf, CLR, SCR, main, these are all functions. Different color they are. Is it not? Switch, you provide some expression. What is the expression? Nothing but n. N. N may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, any number you type from keyboard. Okay. Then comes case. C. Case is a keyword. Do I accept? C. White color. So I write 1. So if you type from keyboard 1, for example, if you type 1, this is a perfect match. N will take 1 now. So 1 will reach the memory address of, memory location of n. So that expression, this is expression. What is the expression value? 1. N is holding 1. So case 1 is a perfect match for that. Isn't it? So I'm going to type. You can type anywhere. 1 colon. Colon you have to do. Don't forget. I can display some message here. I want to display ONE1 like this. Break. Don't forget giving break. Otherwise, unnecessarily case 2 will be also executed. Is it not? Again, let us give printf 2. Again, let us give case 3. Three. Next, default. If you type any other number, default will be executed. Printf, type the given number is invalid. Invalid number typed, something like that. Invalid number will give you that message. Break is not required for that. Switch is closed and get ch. I can write here, and main function is closed. Let us save the program. Which one dot c? Oh, it is there, right? Okay. Yes, sw1 dot SWT 1.c, right? So let me run this program. See, I am typing 1. So 1 is a perfect match. ONE1 will be displayed. Got it? Similarly, if I type 2, just see. If I type 2, what is happening? Yes. If I type 3, what will happen? 3. After 3, invalid number coming. Why? Because break. I forgot giving break here. Got it? I forgot giving break here. Unnecessarily default is also executed. After that, whatever is given, that will be executed if you don't give break unnecessarily. Now it is correct. Now see, I am typing 1, right? If I type 2, if I type 3, default did not come. If I type 9, 9 is not there. Default statement. Invalid number typed. Okay, that's so. What is happening? How it is executed? See, printf enter n. It is asking. I type 1. So what is the expression value? Tell me. This is the expression. What will be there in the expression? If I type 1 from the keyboard, n will hold 1.
One.
Right.
Yes.
So where is matching for that? Very simple. This is a perfect match for that. Case 1. So inside whatever is given, that will be executed. Inside what is given, ONE1, that will be executed. If I don't give break, then what will happen? Unnecessarily 2 will be also executed. See, for example, I am ending break. Let us see what is going to happen. If I type 1, after 1, 2 also you got or not? I typed 1, but I got output as 1 and 2. Why? Because break. I missed break here. I did not give break here. That's why you got 2 also. But after 2 break is there? No. That's why case 3 is not executed. If I miss break here also, see. If I miss break here also, what will happen? See. 1. 1, 2, 3. Wrong. Wrong answer. That is the effect of break. Break is a jumping instruction. You should give it everywhere. After every case, you need to give break statement. Got it? This is correct. Now, straight away, if I give 3, 3 is displayed. Is it not? If I give 2, only that. After that, break. So if I type 2, what happened? See, I typed 2. Where is the match for 2? Case 2 is a perfect match. This is the match. So 2 is executed. And after that, break. If none of the cases are matching, say I type 9. There is no 9. Is there any 9 here? Expression is going to be n. N is 9. N is holding 9. Any case 9 here? Is there any case 9? Is there any case 9? Case 1 is there, case 2 is there, case 3 is there, but there is no case 9. So what will happen? What is the output for this? Can you tell? What is the output? Hello? I cannot hear you. Hello? What? Any power problem or hello? What happened? Hello?
Hello.
What happened all of a sudden?
Network problem.
Ah, 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 ah. So where I am explaining, for example, if I type 9, what will happen? That's what I asked. If I
Yes.
type 9, what will happen? Tell me.
Invalid.
Because this is expression. Expression is n. N is 9. But any case with 9? Is there any case
No,
with
sir.
9? No 9.
No,
No
sir.
case with 9. So obviously default statement will be executed. That is invalid number type. Like that. We will do another program this time. See. Type another one this time. Let me save this before that. This time I will go with newspapers. If I type capital T, Times of India should be executed. If I type capital I, Indian Express should be executed. If I type H, capital H, The Hindu should be executed. Like that I will write one program. So H, I, T, these are all characters. So what data type I have to take? Can you tell? I want to deal with characters. H, I,
Yes.
T. So I have to go with which data type?
Percentile C.
No, no, data type. Data type means int, float, char, double.
Yes.
So which
Car.
type of?
Car.
There you are. Yes, char is the data type because I want to write only one character like T or H or I like that. Char ch. I have taken variable name is ch and then clr is cr and then let me accept character from keyboard. How do you accept? Printf ch and then comes scanf. Scanf means from keyboard. Keyboard is represented by scanf function. Percentage. Now tell me
C.
format space. Yes. So you forgot here when I asked data type, you told percentile C. Don't get confused. Data type is different, format specifier is different. Data type means when you declare a variable, what is the type of data? Is it integer? If integer, you write int. If decimal, you can go with either float or double. If it is character, go with char, like that. Okay. And format specifier is different. Inside printf, scanf, we write generally. Printf means not here, but here, when you display the output, you write that. Okay.
Yes.
So percentage C, right, comma. uh, in to who which address it should reach whatever I type from keyboard. What is the variable?
C.
Address of
CH.
address of
CH.
ch. Yes, you should be perfect in that. How to write printf, how to write scanf, you have to work on that. Right. Now let me start with switch. Let me go with the expression. What is the expression? What is the expression here?
C.
Ch. Is it
CH.
not? You accepted
Yes, sir.
ch from keyboard. So ch is the expression. Now start writing case. But whenever you deal with character, you should not write like this. For example, capital T. This is wrong. Whenever you go with character, this is correct. What is that? What is the difference? Tell me.
Hyphen.
Single quotes. These are called as single quotes. Whenever
Yes.
you deal with a character, it should be kept inside single quote. Okay, single quote. It is called as colon, like this. Enter the times T for I go for Times of India. The India. That's what I want to display. After that, don't forget giving break.
B.
Break is a jumping instruction. And then case H, capital H. Okay? the Hindu. Got it? Like that.
Yes.
Then break again. Now, case selections. These are all set. That is why I used one word in theory. These switch. These are called as selective statements. What is the main heading? See here. Selective statements. I kept at the top. Can you see? Selections. You are doing
Yes.
selections right now. Okay. It depends upon
Yes.
selection. Which one you give, that will be executed. Like that. Right. Let us get back. So next case is I will go with Indian Express, capital I. Break like that. Is capital E. E not. And finally default. If you type any other newspaper, it will say invalid newspaper or something like that. If you type any other name which is not available here, it will show you. Please type. You can give some message also. Please type a valid newspaper, a valid character. Otherwise, okay, a valid character. Exclamatory like that also you can give some good look, correct English, right? And then you can close it, and again you can give get ch, and then another closing for main function. Done. So let us save this with the name. What is that? I'm saving previous program. I saved with switch. I think SWT. I saved. I think I don't remember. SWT dot 2.c. Okay, right. Now let me run this. If I type capital H, got it? Hello?
Oh,
Yeah, yeah. Got it?
yes.
If
Yes,
I
sir.
type, yes. If I type capital I, the Indian Express. If I type capital E, E not. Break is given properly. Is it not? If I give, what else I have given? Times of India. Capital T, the Times of India. If I give any other character, say A, Andhra Jyoti. There is no Andhra Jyoti given here. Please type a valid character. Got it? Okay. For example, if I type small e, is there any small e?
No, sir.
So please type a valid character. But somebody is asking me, my customer is asking, sir, not only capital T, for small t, small h, small I, small e also, I need something to display. Then what to do? Is it not? Understand? Understood that? That point?
Yes.
So again, you take another case. This time go with small t, like this. Got it? Here also is small h, colon. What is that? Colon. And again, small I this time. Case small. Similarly, case small e, colon. Got it? Whether you type capital E or small e, it is okay. Whether you type small I or capital I, it is okay. I will check. Let us check this. I go with small e. It worked or not?
Yes, sir.
Worked. If I go with capital, is there any objection for that?
No, sir.
No, it's
No,
working
sir.
fine. It's working. If I type capital T, it's working. If I go with small t, that is also working, isn't it? Both are working fine. If I type any other invalid character, say small z, Please type a valid character. Got it? Very simple. Switch case. When compared with if condition, switch case is pretty easier. Is it not? Yes or no? Understood this one? So it all depends upon whatever the value you are going to type. So for example, if your expression value is capital E, so it will search where is capital E present. It will search down the line. So somewhere it is there. So that will be displayed. And then immediately it will break. If I type small e, again it will be searching for that case. And you got it here. So same newspaper is displayed. And then break like that. If you type any other character which is not here, like y is not there, so default statement will be executed. It is the last executable statement. Break is not required. Anyways, after this you are breaking, coming out. That's it. Okay, understood.
Yes, sir.
Now we design a calculator. If I type plus, addition should take place. If I type minus, subtraction should take place. If I type into, product should take place. If I give slash, forward slash, division, division means what you are going to get, quotient or reminder. Division means, you forgot, division, modulus division. What is the difference? During arithmetic operators I told you, I send you notes also. What is the difference between division and modulus division? Forgot? It seems you forgot. Right. We will write a program. Division means this is division. Division will give you quotient. And this is modulus division. Percentile will give you reminder. I told you, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For example, if I write like this, what will happen? Tell me. 5 divided by 2. What is the answer?
Course.
What is the answer? What is the quotient?
Two.
2 twos are
Two,
4.
two.
2 is the quotient, right? If I write like this, what is the answer? 5 percentile 2. What is the answer?
One.
2 twos 4. 1 is the
One.
remainder. Right, correct. Like that. Okay, don't forget.
Yes.
Very important, these things. Because you are going to use these things frequently, more often. Now calculator is the program. Let us design calculator program. Very interesting. First, I mean, close to reality, you are doing some application which is close to reality. Calculator. So I'm going to take a couple of numbers. Before that, let me take symbols are also characters, is it not? I will take ch. Let me accept from keyboard. And also I need to take a couple of variables, int a comma b, right? And now enter. What about cl or scr? Yeah, I need to do that. So clear screen, you can get output. Enter. First let us say ch. Enter character. Scanner. Percentage. Now tell me, what is the format specifier for character?
C. Percentage. C.
Percentage.
C.
Correct.
C.
Correct. Yeah, right. It should reach the address of ch. Now you need to enter a and b from keyboard. Enter. At a time I am giving both. Like that also you can give, no issue. See how I am writing scanf for that. Yesterday also I have showed, I think, this one. How many variables you are entering from keyboard? Tell me. How many?
Two.
Two. Both are integer or not?
Yes, sir.
Means how many percentage these will come?
2.
Right. Double quotes and comma. First one should reach the address of.
A.
Second one.
B.
Now comes switch. What is the expression? CH or A or B?
CH.
Right. Good.
CH.
Yes, exactly. Correct. Now case. Case. What to do?
1.
No one. I told you now. If I type
Yes, sir.
plus symbol, addition, minus symbol, subtraction, into product, like that. So can I write like this? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
What? Yes. I told you na. Newspaper. How you have written? Is this correct? Newspaper
No.
program.
No, sir.
Single quotes should be given or not?
Yes.
For
Yes, sir.
character, you should be careful. So if I say plus is also a character, single quotes or you have taken care as data type. You are dealing with characters. So you should give that symbol is also a character. So it should be enclosed within single quotes, right? Sorry, my cursor is here. Right. Now, what should happen? If I type plus, what is going to happen here? Printf percentage. I want to display output like this. Sum is equal to percentage D. And here, how do you find sum? A plus binary addition. This is called as. We have done with operators, is it not? This is called as binary addition is performed. A plus B. A and B are added here. You can see. If you add A and B, output is going to be, for example, if I enter 7 and 5, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is integer or not? Percentage
Yes,
D
sir.
means percentage D means the result. The result is 12. It's a perfect match. Sum equals 12. That's it. And then go with break statement. You need not take again sum is equal to. You can do like that also. For that, you need to take one more variable, is it not? If I take yes
Yes, sir.
here and again yes is equal to a plus b, that formula you need to write. Unnecessarily, you are making code bigger. You can reduce code like this by using binary addition, isn't it? Right.
Yes, sir.
And now here case, let me go with minus like this. The difference is equal to percentile D, right? A minus B. We can do binary subtraction. That is what is called as binary subtraction, right? And then case product like this. Got it? Oh, still 1 minute is there. I do one thing. I will close and again log in. Please log in again
Yes.
because we are doing that. We will forget that.